In this video I'm going to show you guys how to convert an AVI video file to an MP4 video file. It's very easy and quick, so just follow what I do. And yeah, first of all, open your browser and search for this website right here, media.io. Then where it says drag and drop or hit to add file, just click on it. And then what you want to do, as you can see right here, it says test.avi. So just click on it and click open. And right now it already says to MP4, but if it doesn't say that immediately, just click on it and you have a few options right here. And then just select MP4. So yeah, then click convert. It's converting right now. Once it has been converted, click on download and just open it up, and there you go. Yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.